Good morning dear students, welcome back to your English class. Dear kids, today we will do the crossword puzzle. For help, here are the clues. Also, let's solve the puzzles. Number 1 is butter. Let's complete the spelling of butter. B-U butter. Number 2 is hair. T. Number 4 is glass. 5 is sweet. Number 6 is jam. Number 7 is meat. Number 8 is banana. So we write here banana. Number 9 and last is orange. So we write here spelling of orange. Now exercise B is riddles. Let's solve the riddles. I say moo moo, I give you milk, who I am? Any guesses? Cow. I say cluck cluck, I give you eggs, who I am? I say meow meow, I eat rats, who I am? I say woof woof, I eat meat, who I am? Dear kids, it's your task to complete the riddles. Come to exercise C, it's a game. What do you want in your sandwich? What do you want in your sandwich? I want meat in my sandwich. Please, what do you want in your sandwich? I don't want meat in your sandwich. Thanks. I want dash in my sandwich. Dear kids, everyone's choices are different. So write here what you want in your sandwich. We'll meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.